Hi there, and welcome to Unboxing Canada again with a new box from... That's not an Amazon again. It's another company. So we're getting products from different kind of companies. And again, you are with Adil Ouda. A-D-I-L space A-W-D-A-H. Thank you. I hope you guys are enjoying my video. So again, this is a new box. And I already removed the address here. So what it shows in this box is that I have never seen it before. It shows here, peel here. I don't know why is that shown there. And where would I peel here? It doesn't show any place to peel. So basically again.
I think maybe you peel that.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just open it again using our magic small scissor. I hope that one day I'll get that envelopes opening something. I don't know if it's gonna work with the boxes, but yeah. So here it is. This is the new box. What is in it?
I swear it's something apple.
Something apple?
I swear.
Why something apple?
Because you buy apple all the time. That's the only thing you buy. You've never bought Samsung.
Let Samsung send me something free. We'll do it.
Samsung is my iPad.
Oh yes. What about the iPads?
My iPad too.
All right.
Okay,
So,
I know it's an apple, right? It's an apple?
I don't know what it is.
Oh my god.
I swear I never knew. It's what?
Samsung.
It's a Samsung. We never knew that. Whoa. It's a Samsung. I swear we never knew that. They were just talking about Apple, and this is a Samsung
From
iPad.
From second term. Who's it for? Yeah. Who's it
Ahmed.
for? Ahmed. Who Ahmed? Me.
So this is it, and this is how it looks. So this is it, and Samsung, this is how the screen is. Now, what model it is, I don't know exactly, but let's see right here. Basically, these are refurbished items, I think, or maybe a used items. This, my brother bought it. It's model SMT320. So the model is SMT320. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell to get a new product with Unboxing Canada.